impossible? Think again. The stock market has been the ultimate wealth-building machine for decades. But how do you get started? Stick around because today on Cash for Dollar, we're breaking it all down for you. Welcome back to Cash for Dollar, your go-to channel for mastering your money and growing your wealth. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our money-making tips and tricks. Now, let's dive into the world of the stock market and uncover how you can start building wealth today. Why invest in the stock market? First things first, why even bother investing in the stock market? Here's why. Historically, the S&P 500, a collection of 500 of the largest U.S. companies, has delivered average annual returns of 8 to 10%. That's way more than your savings account could ever offer. And let's not forget compound interest. It's like magic for your money. Reinvest your gains and watch them grow exponentially over time. Beat inflation, build wealth. Keeping your money in a savings account? Bad news. Inflation is eating away at it every single day. The stock market, on the other hand, gives you a chance to outpace inflation and grow your purchasing power. Investing isn't just about making money, it's about protecting it too. Easy strategies for beginners. Not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's the easiest way to dip your toes into the stock market. Index funds. Think of them as a basket of stocks that gives you exposure to the entire market with just one purchase. They're diversified, low risk, and perfect for beginners. Before you jump in, let's decode some stock market lingo. Bull and bear markets. Bulls charge forward, that's a rising market. Bears, they hibernate, that's a falling market. Market cap, it's just the total value of a company's shares. And PE ratio, that's how you measure if a stock is over or undervalued. Knowing these terms will make you feel like a pro investor in no time. The golden rule, don't time the market. One mistake beginners often make is trying to time the market, buying low and selling high. But guess what? Even the pros can't predict the market perfectly. Instead, focus on consistency. Invest regularly, no matter what the market is doing, and let time work its magic. Section 6, Managing Risk with Diversification. Here's a pro tip. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors, asset types, and even countries. This way, if one stock takes a hit, your entire portfolio won't crash. For investors, don't forget the tax man. When you sell a stock, you'll either pay short-term or long-term capital gains tax. Long-term rates are much lower, so aim to hold on to your investments for at least a year. It's a simple way to keep more of your profits. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Remember, investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Here at Cash for Dollar, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to start investing. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.